All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs. Why are you not submitting?
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that takes a hit so you don't have to. Today's case? You will not believe the audacity of this woman. She strolls in like everything's fine, then ends up with a judge's warrant hanging over her head. But here's the twist. Unlike most channels, I actually dug into the records and pulled an update on where she stands now. That's right. I've got paperwork to back it up. No spoilers. You'll see how it plays out. And let me tell you, if I ever pulled this in front of Judge Boyd, my knees would buckle. I'm 6 feet 3 inches, 240, played college ball, and even I wouldn't risk it. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications, and let's roll, nerds.
I mean, if she's on the docket for a hearing. Hello.
Hi.
All right, so this is what the issue is, what I'm receiving. You're not submitting for your UAs. Why are you not submitting for UAs?
I did submit for 2 UAs. The sample wasn't enough, so they poured it out and told me I had to come back. And in both situations, I had gave them the last bit of money that I had just to do the UA, and they told me that in order to come back, I would have to pay for it again. And I didn't have the money to pay for it again, so I was running around trying to get the money.
So when you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Negative.
All right, so we're going to have her do a drug test today. All right, and then we'll come back, have you come back this afternoon. Just give me one moment.
Again, Donna?
She's going to tell you.
Oh, okay. Can I talk to you about something?
You can talk to me after you do your UA.
Oh. I did one, just probation sent me to do one yesterday too.
All right, we're going to do this one today.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Tyler Ketchum.
Morning, Judge, for probation.
All righty. Yes, and probation will go over conditions with you. If there's something you don't understand, let them know.
Yes, ma'am.
So any update on the person who went to do the UA? Did she never show?
Why? No, she did not.
All right. So if you'll file the motion to revoke, please.
So here's the backstory. On Judge Boyd's channel, this defendant was basically a ghost. No footage, no words, no nothing. But after digging through the docket, I found out what really went down. The judge immediately filed an NTR and a warrant. And just a few days later, boom, she was caught. A lot of info is redacted, so I won't give out personal details, but it's all in the public record if you're curious. And let this be a lesson. Do not mess with Texas, especially in the 187. Seriously, who just skips court like that? Would you? Most of us would never even think about it.
No, let's not do that because I'll have you drug tested today. So how often have you been using?
Well, I mean, I didn't start like a long time ago, but
All right, let me explain something to you, Mr. Gomez. When I would represent clients, especially when I would represent clients in Child Protective Services, I would always tell them, where you are today, hopefully this is not where you will end up. So if you're using drugs today, if you have committed a crime today, you're applying for deferred adjudication. I'm inclined to give it to you. So my goal for you is to make sure that, one, you no longer use controlled substances and you get your life together. But in order for me to help you and for your attorney to help you, you got to be honest. So today, you're not going to prison. because either I'm gonna accept this offer or not. If I don't accept this plea bargain agreement, guess what? You get to withdraw your plea. If I do accept this plea bargain agreement, guess what? I'm trying to give you help that you need so you can be clean and sober. You understand? So we're gonna pretend like the conversation that you just told me never happened. So how often are you using? Accepted in felony drug court. I'm gonna want 3 sober meetings per day. I'm going to want restitution, $114 for drug testing. I'm going to want field visits. I'm sorry, probation, 2 times per month until he is actually with felony drug court or in some type of treatment. Regular UAs. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. Follow TAP evaluation recommendations. So if he's not accepted into felony drug court, then follow whatever recommendations are for TAP. And I understand that doing 3 AA meetings a day plus working, that may be hard on you, but I want us to make sure that he's clean and sober. But we'll do proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 150 hours of community service restitution. I'm not going to waive that. And there's a $500 fine. It will be probated. How far did you go in school?
So 12th grade.
All right, you got your degree?
I didn't get to it.
Oh, why not?
I was like 3 years, 2 grades away. I didn't get to it. Started working.
All right, probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else you need for me to be successful?
But hey, drop your thoughts in the comments. And because I appreciate you guys, I'm adding a bonus clip. Judge Boyd showing her human side while helping out an addict. Let's roll.